friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to start with a new topic, that is food and nutrition part 1. Food is our basic need. It nourishes our body and maintains our health. It gives energy that is required for every action of our body, including participation in various activities like games and sports. Diet may be defined as total amount of different variety of food items consumed by a person during a daytime. Food comprises important constituents like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and supplementary substances such as minerals, vitamins, and water that are vital, that is important for life. These constituents are known as nutrients. Let's start with proteins. Proteins are called as building blocks of our body. About 20% of our body weight comes from proteins. Proteins are essential for growth and repair of muscles and other body tissues. Proteins are made up of amino acids that contain important elements like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Proteins of animal origin are found in substances like milk, eggs, cheese, fish, and meat. Proteins from these sources contain all essential amino acids in adequate amounts. Vegetable proteins are found in pulses, that is legumes, cereals, beans, nuts, oilseeds, etc. Those who take vegetarian food need to consume more and a wide variety of these food to maintain, that is to meet their protein requirement. Carbohydrates are major source of energy for our body. There are three major categories of carbohydrates. They include starch, sugar, and cellulose. Human body breaks down sugar and starch into glucose to provide enough energy. While cellulose do not have any nutritive value, but it is a major contributor of dietary fibers. Excess carbohydrates are converted into fat by liver and stored in adipose tissue, which is found mostly beneath skin. Its main role is to store energy as fats in our body. Carbohydrates are of two types, simple and complex form. Simple carbohydrates are quick energy food, for example, sugar. Sources of simple carbohydrates are natural fruits, milk and milk products, vegetables including potatoes and carrots. Complex carbohydrates are better source of energy than sugar since they are released slowly. Sources of complex carbohydrates are breads, cereals which include rice, wheat, bajra, corn, barley, ragi, etc. Fats and oils are concentrated source of energy. Fats are substances that human body stores for future use. Fats may be obtained from animal or vegetable sources. The major source of animal fats include ghee, butter, milk, cheese, eggs, fish, and meat. While the sources of vegetable oils include groundnut, mustard, sesame, coconut, etc. Excess carbohydrates are further converted into fats. Besides these nutrients, our body also need dietary fibers and water. Dietary fibers are also known as roughage. Roughage is mainly provided by plant products in our food. Roughage does not provide any nutrient to our body, but it is an essential component of our food as it adds to its bulk. This helps our body to get rid of undigested food. Water is a nutrient. It makes up to 70% of body weight. We need water to break down complex food molecules and transport food chemicals, gases throughout the body. It acts as medium for biochemical reactions, that is reactions which are carried out in human body. It is also required to eliminate waste as urine and sweat. We should take 8 to 10 glasses of potable, that is drinking water, per day. Inadequate water intake leads to dehydration. This was it for this topic. If you have any doubt, please mention in comments. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching it and see you in next topic.